life when you drive a concrete truck. 3 a.m. wake up. That's exciting stuff. Well, I freshened up, put my makeup on, as you can tell. Not really, but did the usual, brush my teeth, smell good before we head out delivering concrete. So I'm going to continue on and get my coffee sorted. I'm ready to go. Right, it's 3:30. I'm ready to hit the road, head to the concrete plant so I can get to the truck. Right, so we're at the plant. No one's here yet, just me. Still waiting on the other driver to arrive. He starts 10 minutes later than I do. But basically yesterday, oh, look at that. I'm walking up here. Here it looks green in the picture, in the photo, but actually it's not green at all. It's just a white light. In the camera it looks green. Trippy. Anyway, as I was saying, yesterday we had the same start time. 3 o'clock in the morning, wake up. So we get there, and they were 40 metres into the job, which was a 140 metre pour. And, well, the job had been cancelled 40 metres into the job. And the reason being was they stuffed up the batching mix. So that means all that concrete that was poured would have needed to be ripped up and removed. Well, lucky it would have been still wet, but nonetheless, would have needed to be ripped up and removed and re-prepared for today. So hopefully we have some better luck. Now every morning before you start the concrete truck, you've got to run over a pre-start check, which essentially is you have a good look over the truck, inspecting wheels and inspecting nuts and little crevices here and there. Look over the bowl. You want to check the engine, you can do that as well, although that's a pretty new truck, so it's not really necessary. But yeah, you got to run over your pre-start, and then once you see the truck is fit to drive, turn her on and off you go. So we're not doing any work out of this plant. We're going to go to a different plant. This plant's dead at the moment, so I want to run over this pre-start so I can get out of here. Well, pre-start was all good. So truck's turned on. The ding 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 noise, no, that's not because the door is open. That's because of the secondary low pressure. The air pressure is low. So truck turned on, builds up the pressure. There the gauges here for the air. Once that red light goes off, you know there's enough air filled up, and that ding 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 will switch off. Every morning, once you got the truck turned on, put the bowl in discharge. That will get rid of any excess water that might be in the bowl. Because if they've batched the concrete right and you've got excess water in your bowl, it could make the load too wet, and then you might require a dry out and the muck around and all this sort of garbage. So always discharge in the morning first. And this is the G-Bung plant. So far, it looks like we're all rolling. No fuck-ups yet. We'll see what happens later. And he goes, and he's getting ready to be loaded. Yeah, that all of it? Yeah, it was all of it. That, my friends, was steel fibres. It's a special requirement for the job. So for this particular job, it's all about putting the chutes on. As you can see, we're lined up, ready to back on. No pump. Bloody shame, I tell you. No pump. Just shooting the whole lot. Concrete tester for quality control. Someone else coming in ready to go. I'll have a closer look in a minute. Check out that cool machine. No hand squeeze, all machine. Saves a lot of work. Wow, it's bloody unreal. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I've never seen it before. Really? Okay. You hear that, guys? First one in Australia. There you go. Oh, apparently anyway. Pretty neat. Saves a lot of work screeding by hand, that's for sure. Signature's a pretty thick slab, big warehouse. Lots of warehouses around here. Oh, how you doing, mate? And that's what they do. Shoot it out. And I'll push the driver forward. Pretty nifty. See, waves him forward. And he's got enough. Oh, he's put him on hold. And I guess that machine over there will move over, screed that, and he'll back into this corner. Over there, he runs the float over the concrete, make it all nice and smooth, shiny. And old mate back hard at it. While the machine screeds the concrete. Well, I better get ready because I'm up next. Well, my second load of the morning and we're back again. Not bad, eh? Well, not great either, but anyway. Well, time for a snack. 6:40 in the morning and concrete truck driver's breakfast. Chips and iced coffee. Can't go wrong with that. Maybe not the healthiest. It does the job. What was that? Yeah. Yeah, indeed.
Well, first one, the fucking cement was ready to drive.
Rightio.
They got ripped out.
Oh, crikey.
Yesterday was 30 cubes that got bought from me, so I pulled out.
Yeah, pretty expensive. Oh, for wholesale anyway. Yeah, they're paying for it. Oh, that's good. They want it.
With all the plants, like 30 cubes in there. From paying for the plant, from mix.
Yeah. One fuck up after another, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm like, yeah, I'm trying to get this one. Yeah, they're like a big fan company.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's alright, he's alright. Yep.
And back to swinging the shoot. Well, that's the morning rush over. Now we sit here until the next rush happens, and by that stage we're all tired and wanting to go to sleep. But that's concrete trucking life for you. Sitting around waiting. If you feel like it, you can go up to that smoko room in the back and watch TV for a while. Well, nice aircon room too. Probably where I should go, but don't worry about it. Sit here and wait. And you'll be waiting and waiting and waiting and more waiting. And then eventually they'll start up again. And then later things will die in the arse. And then you can go home. That's what it's all about, man. Yep, I'm still sitting here. 2 hours and 20 minutes later. Still nothing happening. Damn exciting stuff. Finally, we have life. We have our third job for the morning, and it's a steel fibres job. So steel fibres means that generally it will mean that they haven't used a Rio mesh for the concrete, because the steel fibres in the concrete will do the same job. So I can head over and get loaded and get this crap out. Well, we're back on the same job site as this morning, except we're on the at a different shed. And by the look of things, and by, well, you can't see too well, but I'm going to put my chutes on, and we're doing holes by the look of it. That's the hole. Chutes on. Time to fill her up. Now I've got to do two things here. Got to concentrate on what I'm doing. Don't worry about the wobble. And get ready to nudge forward when they ask me to. So as you can see, the hole had no steel mesh in it. And that is why we had the steel fibres in the concrete to do the exact same job the mesh would have done. I ain't gonna film this whole bit here. You get the idea. We'll fill up this hole and hopefully that'll be the end of me done. Discharge speed is up at 87%, so it's coming out pretty quickly, so I don't want to muck around filling up this hole. Well, as you can see, filling up. Still plenty of space to fill. Looking good, looking good. Well guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. So thanks for watching. If you did, like and subscribe if you can, it would be unreal. And tell your friends about me if they're into concrete trucks and all that sort of crap. Share the love, hey? Share the love. So I'm going to peace out. Keep an eye on what I'm doing here. There's traffic to look at everywhere, sort of. So ciao for now, everyone. Hang on a minute, let me just get that out of the way. There you go, fingers in the way, bloody hell. So catch you later. Ciao for now.